Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect GitHub to Codex. In this case, we're already in the Codex interface. Remember that you need to install ChatGPT on your desktop. In this case, having the desktop app to be able to Codex. Here I'm on Codex. What we're going to do is connect with GitHub is go to the section that says plugins. It's the section that appears on the bottom right here. We're going to click it, and plugin that we can install will appear. In this case, we'll see installed ones on some we can use depending on the category. In this video, we are looking to install it with GitHub, so I will search for GitHub, and the skill section and the install plugin option will show up. I'm going to click install plugin, and it will redirect us to a browser to complete the sign-in process. Once the sign-in page appears, we simply log in with our credentials. In my case, I will sign in with Google, but you can sign in with your traditional ChatGPT account. Once you have logged in, it will redirect you to this section where you have to accept the connection for ChatGPT Codex connected with OpenAI and GitHub. You will click on Authorize. Once authorized, you will click Open ChatGPT. In this case, it's already open, and it will show us that the connection was successfully installed. This notification saying plugin added will pop up. Under installed items, the GitHub section will now appear. We can click on try it now to test the GitHub plugin right here in Codex. And it's that simple.